Hey babes, it's Mary. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a mini review on this Curlsmith Transition Kit. So this kit comes with a conditioner wash, a deep conditioner, which I can compare this deep conditioner to the ApHogee Curlific Texture Treatment. It's pretty much the same. So if you like that one, you're gonna like this deep conditioner. It comes with a leave-in, which is the Hold Me Softly, and a gel, the In-Shower Style Fixer. My favorite product out of this kit is the gel because my curls lasted for 3 days. Probably could have lasted a little longer, but it started getting a little bit frizzy. So, and I slept on a satin pillowcase and then I refreshed it in the morning with some water, but I loved the gel. So for this tutorial, I'm going to start out with the leave-in. I tried the leave-in on its own before I bought the kit, which I didn't find moisturizing, so I won't be repurchasing. But just for this tutorial, I decided to use it in the video for you guys. And then after the leave-in, I only applied a little bit of the leave-in. I am going to go in with the gel. I'm applying it the same way that I was applying it in my last video. So I'm just smoothing it onto my hair and lightly scrunching the ends of my hair. I'm doing this just so I don't lose too much of my length. So I'm just scrunching the ends to help out the damage that I have left in my hair, which I will very soon be chopping a little bit more of, but I'm going to do this little by little. I let my hair dry naturally, guys, and then this is what my hair looks like. So I'm smoothing out the crunchiness from the gel and I'm fluffing it out. I also loved how shiny this left my hair. That was one of the things that I noticed immediately, like comparing this video to the last video that I posted. The shine that the Curlsmith line gave me, I absolutely love. My hair looks so healthy. So that's the end of my video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Or if you guys have any more questions that I forgot to talk about in this video, leave them down below. And like I mentioned in my previous video, if you have any suggestions for new hair products, let me know. Like I said, I'm going through a new testing out journey right now. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye.